Fix Instagram Reels sending failed problem step by step. If you're not being able to send Reels on Instagram to someone, let's say for any sort of example, now first of all, it could be that that particular reel is actually not shareable. The owner of that reel or the creator of that reel might have actually enabled a setting where the reel is not shareable to anybody, so that's why you're not being able to share. Second of all is the person that you're trying to share with. So it could be that you might have blocked that particular person, or they might have restricted you, so that could also be the case. Otherwise, you can also try to check your internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch your cellular data or vice versa, and then see if that helps you solve the problem as well. Long press the Instagram app and make sure to uninstall and reinstall it, see if that helps you. If not, go to your browser and search for Instagram service status. Check if their status is online and that they are not facing outages. If they are perhaps facing outages from the results that you're searching, go to your Play Store or App Store, search for the Instagram app and update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. Thanks for watching, and do subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.